In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the Shopee dashboard and make a purchase seamlessly. Whether you're searching for a specific item or just exploring your options, understanding the interface can make your shopping experience more enjoyable and efficient. To begin, when you open your Shopee dashboard, you'll notice a search bar prominently placed at the top. This is your gateway to finding any product you have in mind. Simply click on the search bar and start typing the item you're interested in. As an example, let's say you're in the market for a new t-shirt. Go ahead and type t-shirt and press enter. This will bring up a wide range of t-shirts that are available for purchase. Once you've got the list in front of you, take your time to scroll through and find the shirt that catches your eye. When you found the perfect one, click on it to view more details. If the shirt comes in different variants, you'll have the option to select your preferred color, size, and quantity. This step is crucial for ensuring that you receive exactly what you want. Now that you've made your selections, it's time to add the item to your cart. You'll see an Add to Cart button on the product page. Give that a click. This allows you to continue shopping for other items or proceed to checkout when you're ready. Next, let's navigate to the top right corner of your dashboard where you'll find an icon of a shopping cart. Click on it to view your selected items. Here, you'll see all the products that you've added to your cart. Look for the checkbox next to the item you want to purchase and click it. This step is important for confirming which items you wish to proceed with. Once you've confirmed your selection, go ahead and click on the Checkout button. This will take you to the payment page, which is the final step before completing your purchase. On this page, keep an eye out for the section labeled Payment Method. You'll notice the word Change beside it. Click on this to explore your payment options. Shopee offers various payment methods, including payment centers or e-wallets. But for the purposes of this video, let's proceed with a credit or debit card. Select this option and finalize your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the Shopee dashboard and completed your purchase. With just a few clicks, you can explore